Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a 1970 Mustang sports roof coupe that we just got in. It is a one family owned since new, basically. Another nice thing about it is we have the build sheet and a Marty report. Today we're going to talk about a 1970 Mustang sports roof with basically one family owned since new. This is what is called a total restoration. Every nut, bolt, screw, washer on this car has been done. It's refinished in its ivory color that came from the factory. We have the build sheet for this car and whatnot. This was what you called a true sleeper in its day, because the fellow did not want to order the Mach 1 package. He just wanted a sports roof. So when you pulled up alongside this guy on the street, only thing you could tell is in this dark on the hood says 428. If you look under the hood here, we have a completely refurbished, completely rebuilt engine, transmission, drivetrain. Everything has been done absolutely to the highest standard level of restoration. Beautiful paint all the way around underneath. Visit our website and you'll see the underside of the car at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. All the underneath pictures. What it is, the family member that did the car, in his opinion, over-restored it because now he's not so sure he's comfortable driving it because it was done so well. If you look at the inside, the other thing, brand new interior. It is a 4-speed car. The other thing people get a kick out of when they look in, they see it has an AM 8-track, which was a factory option in 1970. Has the correct wheels and rims with their beauty rings and the small caps. Like I said, it was not ordered as a Mach 1, it was just the Mustang sports roof, so you don't have the rear louvers, the chrome rocker moldings, and all the other amenities that went with the Mach 1. Everything about this car is done extremely well. Beautiful chrome. Everything is done just the way it came from Ford in 1970. It's probably done better than what Ford did in 1970, but if you're looking for something like a street killer, something that's kind of not, it's not so obtrusive, so to speak, in terms of all the other stuff, but boy, it is a very beautiful car. You can visit us at Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. You can visit us on Facebook. You can visit us on our YouTube channel, and you can smash us good there and take a look at it. So give us a shot, and this is one of our newest additions, and if you're looking for a really good Mustang, this is a place to come.